Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. New Hampshire fire officials urge people to not put face masks in microwaves to sterilize them. Cloth masks. Metal parts can spark fires, break microwaves. The New Hampshire State Fire Marshal's Office has a message for everyone using a face mask. Do not put it in the microwave to sterilize it. Not okay to put a face mask in the microwave. In a social media post, officials said microwaving masks to kill germs is a fire hazard and an extremely bad idea. And here is why. Take a look at these two photos here. When you put a mask in the microwave, like these two photos, it can cause fire and break your microwave. Not okay to do. Cloth masks overheat quickly and catch fire, and some have a metal bridge on the nose, which can cause sparks, fires, and also break a microwave. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention recommends people clean their mask with detergent in the washing machine on the warmest setting. So, next time you clean your cloth mask, do not put it in that microwave. Put it in a washing machine with detergent on the warmest setting. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a wonderful evening, everyone. Thank you for watching this news report, and be safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with more news reports. Good night and bye, everyone.